Nothing crazy or special about this day, but we decided to head out to a private land in Colorado called Fountain. This area is really good if you want to develop endurance, speed, and improve on enduro type obstacles. Which, some of the tire obstacles they have out here, it's pretty huge and pretty intimidating, and I hope one day I can hit them. Right at the end of the day, we got lucky and a fellow dirt bike rider asked us, "Hey, do you want to try out this Honda CRF250F? Right on, of course we do. Nothing like test riding new bikes. Fair warning though, this was towards the end and the whoops really took a toll on us. And these whoops, well, they're not small, so they are pretty exhausting. As you guys probably know, the one in front of me is this Mountain Life, and was out riding on this track 1 hour prior to me arriving, so he must be pretty tired by the end of this day. Anyhow, the reports on the CRF250F is it turns very well. Surprisingly well. Suspensions are a bit stiff yet comfortable enough to just breeze over the whoops. And to my surprise, you need to have it up and going in order to get the power out of it. Kind of reminds me of the KLX almost. Of course, with a lot more kick. It does have that low end, but not like your traditional race ready 4-strokes like the Beta or the KTMs where it's all down low grunt. Now I believe this CRF250F is modified, as we are obviously not the owners. So we did not get a full detail on it and what has been done. But the forks definitely have been changed and replaced, and that just shows you how great this little CRF250F can be in the right hands with minimal changes. Not to mention, this bike is over 10 years old and still ticking, so you do have that proven Honda reliability. As you guys probably can tell, this hair scramble course is very tight, not much room for speed because every twist and turn seems to happen every 3 seconds. So this was a good area to test the bike as far as basics go, and of course keep in mind we're just sea riders, nothing special. Just out here for a great time and slowly improve our skills over time. Anyhow, this Mountain Life will be providing a full review on the CRF250F, so be sure to check out his channel and his thoughts on it. I'll catch you guys on my next video.